I know a lot of you guys are preparing to come to Germany in 2025. I'm here with my friend. She is currently studying here in Germany and इनको आए हुए अभी सिर्फ 4.5 महीने हुए हैं. Quite fresh experience. Today we are here to talk about once you get the admission from any German university, these are the preparations you have to do. Watch today's video till the end. We will walk you through what you have to do pre-arrival and what you have to get done once you have arrived in Germany, which is after arrival. Let's start the video.
So in short, book your visa appointment first. Like it's already a big challenge in finding visa appointment. Keep an eye, book it, and once it is done, start focusing on your money, finances, like how you're going to make arrangement of your loan. Or like for example, for the private university, you will need a loan. You will need to pay the money to the university, right? So get those things done. And for the public university also, like you will need the block account. And to be honest, block account is needed by both the universities, like if you are going for private or public. So take care of it, talk to your family, get your money done, get your loans done. And once it's done, one suggestion would be, like when you are transferring money in your block account, get help from your parents. Split it in two account and transfer to the block account. This way you will save the taxes.
Right, that's right. Where did you get your blocked account done?
So I did from Coracle. Coracle, they were very helpful. Once you register, once you go to the portal, you have to complete the form. Once you do it, it will take a while, like almost 4-5 days. It takes your account to get activated, and then you can transfer the money.
Okay.
Yes. So that way you will be able to handle it, and thereafter once your finance factor is done, you will get document from Coracle. You will get insurance, like the travel insurance as well from the company itself. So you don't have to buy it separately. Get those documents, attach with your other documents in your checklist, and keep it ready. Side by side, start checking about the flights, because flights can be very expensive by the time you get everything done. So one small suggestion can be, book a cancelable flight. I know it may sound weird, but do that. It will help you. Or cancelable, or the one where you can transfer the dates. मतलब कि आप चाहो तो डेट शिफ्ट कर सकते हो, बाद में आ जाओ या पहले आ जाओ, like depending upon like when you are getting your visa.
Which one did you do?
I used KLM because I was traveling from Bangalore to Berlin, and KLM was the best way because with all these luggage coming alone was very tedious, and I really don't wanted to travel by train.
Right. So just to recap what you have said so far, you said first thing, जैसे admission आ गया, I should book my visa appointment and I should wait then. Meanwhile,
absolutely.
So while I'm in the waiting time, I should get all the financial topic done.
Yes.
Like if there is a university where I've got my admission, जहाँ पर tuition fees देनी है, तो I should pay my tuition fees. और अगर education loan लेके आप दे रहे हो, then get that bank का sanction letter ASAP. अगर if you're going to a public university, then you straight away go for the blocked account का topic.
Correct.
For the blocked account, do the arrangement of the funds. Select one of the blocked account providers and do the process and get 3 things from them. Blocked account, health insurance and travel insurance.
Yes.
Okay, now my date has come very close, so you start preparing with your
Checklist
documents
yeah.
for the student visa. Okay, let's fast forward. मैं जाके आया हूँ VFS. मेरा सब कुछ हो गया है. I've got my student visa in hand. Usually from the day I have got my admission letter till I have my student visa in my hand, कितना time लगता है? एक rough estimation?
It depends actually from VFS to VFS. From most of the time it takes 1 month.
Yeah.
If you are very lucky, if you are in the right VFS location, then maybe in a week.
Like you got 3 days?
Yeah, I got my visa in 3 days.
My God. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So let's say I have my student visa now in my hand. Let's go forward. What is next?
Go and hug your parents. Anyways, jokes apart, but once this is done, start looking for like the areas and the location where you are planning to stay.
That's
Start
true.
exploring. Like कहाँ आपको रहना है, आपके फ्रेंड्स कहाँ रह रहे हैं, टॉक टू पीपल, कनेक्ट विद पीपल. Connection is the most important thing when you are moving to another country because you are going to miss your family a lot. And here people don't talk much, like they are very private, to be honest. They believe अपने काम से काम में मतलब रखना है. Okay, so वो आपको follow करना पड़ेगा no matter where you go. Make your networking, get more friends who are already staying here, join WhatsApp group, Facebook groups, talk to people. That's it. That's the
Right.
only thing you can do right now.
Right.
And other than that, what you have to do is start looking for accommodations. Range क्या है, price क्या है, decide how much is your budget, and accordingly start looking for it.
And I think fly करने से पहले इंडिया में आपको forex कार्ड भी लेना पड़ता है.
Oh yes,
Right.
another point. Forex card. So the thing is, like, you have your block account with me, but once you are here, it will take almost 10-15 days to get it activated. Meanwhile, how will you manage your expenses? So keep your money ready. Get Forex card from India. Forex card, there are a lot of companies in India using which, like, at your home, like, you can actually book and get your Forex card. You don't even have to
Right.
go to
Right.
places. I just got cash here in Germany, so I'm not much aware, but my friends have done that. They have told, like, there are a lot of such companies where you can just apply and they will come to your home and take all the documents.
And how much cash did you carry in your hand?
I carried 1500 euros with me
Okay.
to pay deposit amount plus first month ka, like, normal grocery expense and all.
Okay. All of this activity you have to do it till the time you are sitting in your aircraft and ready to fly to Germany.
Yes, I
Right.
agree. And
Okay.
don't wait for last moment. जितना जल्दी रिसर्च करना शुरू करोगे, जितना जल्दी फॉरेक्स एक्सचेंज के प्राइजेस देखना शुरू करोगे, maybe you can save some money.
That's true. What work I have to get done after I have arrived in Germany?
Oh, one more point. Before you come to Germany, look for temporary accommodation.
Yes.
That is very important. Talk to your friends if you have already. Otherwise, look for Facebook groups. There are a lot of groups where they will give you, like, sublets for a couple of days. There you can stay for like 10-15 days or something and figure out your accommodation. But be very careful. A lot of scams are happening here in Germany around accommodation. Don't pay anyone any money in advance from India. I have known people who just came to Berlin, and when they went to the place, it never existed. Literally, it had happened with people. So be aware, be very careful.
और क्या यहाँ ब्यूरोक्रेसी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है आते ही, राइट?
Oh,
थोड़ा बताओ.
that is a fun part here. So once you get here, first you have to get your SIM card. SIM card के लिए आपको लगेगा बैंक अकाउंट कि आप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बिना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं ले सकते हो सिम कार्ड का if you don't have a bank account.
अगर आप प्रीपेड सिम के लिए पोस्टपेड के लिए जा रहे हो तो
Oh yes, absolutely. But वो प्रेफर लोग वही करते हैं.
हाँ, मैंने देखा लॉन्ग टर्म में जो रहते हैं यहाँ पर वो पोस्टपेड ज्यादा यूज करते हैं.
Yes, I agree.
अपने इंडिया में कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है, राइट?
इंडिया में कॉन्सेप्ट उतना
प्रीपेड का है,
प्रेफर्ड
इंडिया में.
नहीं है. मतलब
हाँ.
है वहाँ पर जनरली जो बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, दे
हाँ,
वांट
बराबर.
कि मंथली बिल के ये सिस्टम में डिडक्ट हो जाए, दैट्स इट. बट अदरवाइज इतना मतलब ज़्यादा प्रेफर्ड नहीं है इंडिया में. बट यहाँ पे वो लोग बहुत फोकस्ड रहते हैं, लाइक स्पेशली पीपल हु आर प्लानिंग टू स्टे हियर फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म. आई विल शेयर माई एक्सपीरियंस. लाइक व्हेन आई वेंट टू बाय अ सिम कार्ड, आई गॉट बेनिफिटेड आउट ऑफ इट. लाइक एज इन आई बॉट इट फ्रॉम Saturn and I got 150 euro का कूपन.
नाइस.
Yes, so I can buy any electronics from that place, and उसकी validity है 1 year. I haven't bought it yet, but I'm planning to waiting for the Thanksgiving sales or something. Then I will go and enjoy the discount as well.
Fantastic.
So you can do that, and once you get your accommodation, please be careful and get your Anmeldung done as soon as possible. Don't be focused on the people who are the agents, especially कि हम Anmeldung appointment दिला देंगे. Just get up at morning 6 o'clock. Keep on refreshing the page for half an hour. You will definitely get a Anmeldung appointment.
Right.
Go there, get it done. That is the first thing you have to do after coming here. Once Anmeldung appointment is there, open your bank account. Bank account opening will take a lot of time, but in 3-4 days you will get your IBAN number.
Which bank account do you have?
I have Deutsche Bank.
Deutsche Bank.
Yes,
I
Deutsche
forgot to
Bank.
ask you, what SIM card company do you have?
I have Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Yeah,
Okay.
Oxygen.
Okay.
So that one I am using right now, and it's good, not not bad.
It's a prepaid or postpaid?
It's a postpaid. I'm
Postpaid.
taking
How
the
much are you
contract.
paying every month?
Monthly I'm paying 10 euros.
10 euros.
Yes,
And
yes.
what, like data है?
डेटा बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है,
हाँ.
बट यहाँ पे सब जगह वाईफाई है तो उतनी प्रॉब्लम होती नहीं है, और घर पे वाईफाई रहता है.
Right.
एसबान यूबान, आई मीन बसेस एंड ऑल.
एसबान में नहीं रहता है, उबान में रहता
एसबान
है.
नहीं, आई एम सॉरी,
Yeah.
स्टिल
उबान.
लर्निंग 4.5 months.
No, no worries. I'm just telling people कि नहीं तो गलत एक्सपेक्टेशन हो.
I agree.
Right? Yeah, yeah.
So आपको वाईफाई का उतना इशू नहीं होगा और उतना टाइम भी नहीं मिलेगा कि आप
हाँ,
फोन
ये तो
यूज
है.
करो. सबसे बड़ी बात है. So that's the main factor here. I think it's enough.
इतना
इतना
ही करता है.
कंजम्पशन नहीं है इंडिया की तरह यहाँ पर.
Right.
मतलब मैं जब इंडिया में थी मेरा कंजम्पशन बहुत हाई था, बट यहाँ उतना नहीं है.
ठीक है, तो
So,
और
yeah.
क्या क्या काम है मतलब?
सो आपका जब हो गया, लाइक आपको पहले आपका एनुअल ड्यू अपॉइंटमेंट लेना पड़ेगा, देन यू हैव टू गेट योर बैंक एंड देन द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. Because without the bank IBAN number, they won't give you the contract if you're planning for postpaid.
Right.
So that's it. Enjoy your life, explore the city, and the best part is, like, for the transport, you will definitely going to make a lot of mistakes. Miss the stop. कहाँ जा रहे होगे, कहाँ पहुँच गए हो, होगा, डरना मत. It's very normal. You will figure it out. That's it. All the best. Welcome to Berlin. Welcome to Germany, and enjoy your new journey. Just explore. That's it.